Hi, it's Lisa Lavender from the Restoration Technical Institute. Thought you could all hear a friendly voice and some friendly advice through this very difficult time. So, as you can see, our classroom is empty, and I can assure you that the Restoration Technical Institute team, Kristen, Chuck, Destry, we're all working really hard on trying to get you the knowledge, passion, inspiration you need online in the meantime to help you get by. But for now, I really want to just tell you we are all here for you. We're with you. We're going to starting this Wednesday, a new series called Where You Stuck Wednesday. And what we're going to ask you to do is send us a stuck to our email address, info@restorationtechnicalinstitute.com. Amongst us or our industry friends, we'll work on getting you the answer and put together 10-minute little videos answering your questions. It can be about anything from your general operations, HR, it could be disinfection, decontamination, it could be a water or a mold job. So send us your questions. Let us know if you'd like to remain anonymous. We're happy to do that and get tips. Oftentimes, we find when one of us is struggling with something, it's common that many of us. So I think it helps everybody. I want to do a shout out to our industry at large, from the associations to IICRC to manufacturers and suppliers for doing such a great job in providing so many tools for us through this challenging time. We've gotten webinars, informations, tip sheets, protocols. So the industry at large, R&R Magazine, providing great and timely information that we really all need. So I encourage you, yes, I'm still Lisa, I'm still happy, I'm still hanging on, but I'm dealing with many of the challenges that we all are running and operating a restoration company. So we're dealing with financial struggles, safety concerns, how do we serve our team, morale, keeping everybody safe. So, you know, I'm in it with you, but I do have some tips to share, as you would probably expect. One thing is I really encourage you, try to switch gears. Switch to being proactive. Now's the time. We've all had to deal with, use our crisis management skills and be very reactive as things have been evolving and changing, and there's so many challenges. For us as restorers, not only are we dealing with everything that other businesses have dealt with, but we're also dealing with the fact that people, our community, those we serve, are turning to us for services to help them do preventative cleaning or decontamination if they have a contact. So it has been definitely intense for us as an industry. So as we've worked through that, again, let's start changing, pivoting, and start being proactive, because you know what? It feels good. It's good. Be a leader in your company and start thinking about ways to build a solid foundation for today and tomorrow. We will, as a world, get through this. We will win this. But we also want to start thinking about our company, our team, and our future. So here's a couple little tips. One, if you haven't already, start working and building and collaborating as a team on precautionary measures that you can use in your day-to-day. And IICRC and our RIA did put out some great guidelines. I encourage you to use those as a starting point and develop them to be personal to your company. Engage your team. Let them contribute. There's little things you can do. Asking and putting barriers into areas that you're working on in occupied spaces. It'll help protect the occupants and your team. Be proactive in communication. So let your customers know you care, but what to expect when they receive service from you. Instead of debriefing them in person after an emergency, tell them you're going to go to your call and you're going to call them on site. Give them a soothing, empathetic, and articulate explanation of what you did if you plan to go back tomorrow, if it's a water loss to monitor, and think about those things and start developing those skills in your team and talk about it. Now more than ever, it's very important to collaborate and give your team the outlet to share their concerns, ask questions, and contribute to the success of the company. Let them know at this time they should feel and understand our purpose more than ever. When people have a sewer loss, when people have a water loss, and now we have the added threat of coronavirus amongst us, It is more important than ever that trained professionals are there for those we serve to keep their environments, their homes, their businesses safe for them. Building on that foundation and working forward will lead you to a path of success. As leaders in your company, stand up, be a positive voice, be there for each other. There's fear, there's uncertainty, and you all must be strong. So I thank you. We're here for you. So don't forget, your friends at the Restoration Technical Institute are just a phone call away or an email away. And in the meantime, let's look forward to Where You Stuck Wednesday. We want to help you. We want to be a resource for you. Email your questions, your stucks, to info@restorationtechnicalinstitute.com, and we'll get you some answers. Be safe. Have a great day.